All right, so now that you are ready, let me get to my back office. All right, now you are ready to order supplies. If you ordered the enrollment kit, a selection of supplies is on its way to you if you haven't received your kit yet. But you're definitely going to want to order some more supplies. So I'm going to show you how to do this. You don't have to. Most of what is available on 31 you can print. But when it comes to catalogs, it's definitely a good thing to have some on hand if you don't already. If you are a new consultant, I'm going to be sending you a catalog as well as some other welcome goodies. um, uh, shortly within the week that you joined. I've got a whole bunch going out now because I was just waiting for the new catalog to launch. But you're going to definitely want to know how to order supplies if you would like to. So what you do is you come to your virtual office and you click on orders. Actually, you kind of hover over it and then open orders. And then you're going to select new order. And over here on the drop-down menu, don't worry about filling this in yet over here. On the drop-down menu, you click on Business Supply Order Spring. And what it's going to do is it's going to populate this with your information, so just double check that 31 has everything correct for you. And then click Save and Continue. Yeah, I've changed addresses, so it wants me to double check that I have the correct address. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to come up here to Consultant Supplies and click on that. And then here are all the consultant supplies. Now let me give a disclaimer and a recommendation. Unless you have a buku amount of money to blow, I'm going to go over the main things that definitely I find helpful in my business. The customer lap board is fun and it's cute that it's 31, but honestly, you can get clipboards from the dollar store, so they're not necessary. I did order a pack of the customer 31 bags. You do get some in every order that you place, but I always like having a couple extra on hand because sometimes they send you one per order. Well, sometimes people have a lot of stuff in their order, and it's just easier and more convenient to put some of those extras in another bag. So this is always very helpful. You don't necessarily need the door prize pad either. We have Enter My Drawing printables on our team Facebook page, as well as under the file section there. You can always print those off and do like 4 to a page, so you don't really need to waste any money there. Fabric swatch collection is actually a really good thing to have on hand. I always have them because I might not have every single pattern in my collection, especially for a new catalog. So being able to show them the pattern from the swatch is very, very helpful. Let's see. You can also print this Hostess Rewards flyer offline, but I do enjoy having one on hand to be able to put with a catalog if I have a Hostess. For the same reason as the swatches, the leather ones are also good to have on hand and affordable. Mini catalogs are great if you want to use them as business cards. You just put a sticky label on the back with your information. Never give anything out without your information of how they can contact you and order from your website. You get a pack of 40 for $6. So this is an excellent alternative to business cards, and it actually gives them a preview of what 31 has to offer. So I do love that. Order forms are great to have on hand as well, but again, you can print those off of the website if you would like. So just going through here, a lot of this is fun stuff, but not anything that you need at the very beginning of your business. And I'm here, just to, a 31 shirt, you know what, honestly, I love being able to be my #1 marketing item. So having a 31 shirt on hand is highly recommended. But here is where you order your catalogs. You get 25 for $15. Ladies, that is less than $1 a catalog. That is fantastic. So let's say I need to select my catalogs. And I actually do need to order some to send to my virtual assistant. But let's say I wanted 2 packs of them. Add to cart. And then I'm going to go over here to View Cart. Yep, that looks good. Begin checkout. Then I'm going to double check. My email's in here, so they'll send me a little email letting me know I ordered. And then it totals everything up for you. And here's my total. So you're going to go to new payment. This is very much how you put a party in as well. And it actually saves my credit card on file. But so I would just select that and then save payment. And then before my sale is complete, I would actually click submit order. And then my business supply will be placed. I hope this helps, and I definitely look forward to your success with this step and giving you your next.